Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Happiness is the new rich. Inner peace is the new success. Health is the new wealth. Kindness is the new cool. Action. Every part of this quote affects one another. Start working on your inner peace and you will see your health, happiness, and relationship improve. You can't talk your way out of problems you behave yourself into. Today, don't complain about anything, even to yourself. You may find you are better at resolving the problem than you think. It is much more difficult to judge oneself than to judge others. What can you do tomorrow to become a better version of yourself? Healing takes time. This is either reassuring or annoying, depending on the kind of day you're having. You can't rush your wounds into becoming scars. Think about where have you been, your deepest hurt, and where you are now. Could you believe that you're right on time? We attract what we are, therefore dreaming is a journey within. What inner beliefs are still restricting you, putting you down, and making excuses that hold you back from your dreams? When you surrender to the process of aging as simply part of the human condition, you come to peace with it. You become more loving and appreciative of other people's love and care for you. The more loving you become, you see that everybody is trying to be helpful to you, and it is loving to allow them to be helpful to you. Generosity is a willingness to share your life with others. It's a gift to people to allow them to love you. Number 11, save for a rainy day. Watch your dream come to life. Think of something important you want to save for. Fill a jar with change or open a savings account and increase your peace of mind. What are you saving for? And the animal card today? Raven, Shaman. You are the creator and magician. Use your gifts for good. There is power in your wisdom and words. Connect with the elemental spirits and glide through the void. Claim your pace as a keeper of mysteries. Alrighty. Let's see what our quotes are today. Focus on your dreams. Allow the power of manifesting to start now. It's not my job to be likable. It's my job to be myself. The right people will gravitate. Remember, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. Yes, yes. Be intentional with your energy, your time, and your habits. And the last one today, you are a special person. You do make a difference. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.